This is a 2018 Ram 2500 Longhorn crew cab, light over saddle leather interior, power windows, locks, and mirrors, power driver's seat, memory seating on the driver's side, leather and wood steering wheel, satellite radio, push button start, trailer brake controls, electronic climate control, heated steering wheel, heated seats as well, remote start, power moonroof. There's a look at the rear seat, running boards, aluminum wheels, receiver hitch, backup camera, lockable tailgate, tonneau cover, sliding rear window, bedliner as well. This vehicle is four-wheel drive, powered by a Cummings turbo diesel engine, so it's got lots of torque. And like all PR vehicles, AutoNation Chevrolet has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.